Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing that how you can set the volume limit for your iPhone built-in speaker. So what you need to do is just go to your settings, and after going to your settings just swipe up and you need to find the sounds and haptics. Just tap on the sounds and haptics and you need to swipe up. You see that there is an option of built-in speaker volume limit under the sounds and haptics. Just tap on this, and from here you just need to limit the maximum volume of your built-in speaker. Just enable it, and you can maximize your limit to your speaker. By limiting your speaker is actually increase the life of your speaker, and it increases your phone experience as well. So that's how you can actually limit. I suggest you to make it about maximum 80% to increase the life of your speaker, and setting the limit actually tells you how loud your iPhone speaker can play an audio, for example such as movies, songs, or any other media. I hope this video is helpful, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.